this video you will learn how to sight read open strings. If you want to learn how to sight read, there are 4 notes to remember the first, and that are the open strings on the violin. The first note to remember is this one. This note represents the open E string. Remember that the note of the open E string is just between the first 2 lines of the bar line. The second note to remember is the open A string. Take a good look at the position of the open A string and try to remember it as good as you can. The third note to remember is the open D string. As you see, the open D string is like hanging on the bar line. This is the way I remembered it. Take a second and try to remember this string. And the last note to remember is the open G string. Now take the time to remember the shape of the open G string. Have a look at all the strings. And notice how the E is highest on the bar and the G is lowest. This corresponds to the height of the notes. The E is the highest string and the G is the lowest string on the violin. Take some more time to memorize these notes as good as you can, because in a moment we are going to do a small exercise. Did you memorize the notes? Great, let's test it. Is it getting a little bit easier? If you have trouble with the exercise, just repeat the video over and over again until it gets easier. And otherwise, congratulations! You just learned to sight read your first 4 notes on the violin. Now make sure to practice sight reading regularly this week so you won't forget these notes again. Just download the exercises that belong to this video and practice a little bit of sight reading every single day.